Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you the website pay you Litecoin, Bitcoin, dogecoin. Instantly the minimum withdrawal is 50 coin, and that was the best Faucet website. And you can visit websites or you can claim faucets. That's all. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link available in description. This is 100% payment website because I have received my first payment from this website. Okay, this website link available in description. Just go to register. I share with you the registration. Put your email, password, confirm password, solve the captcha, and just click get start. This will be easy way for registration. I have already account. Just I click login. This is two type captcha. You can choose your captcha. You can solve. Okay, and just come down and just click login. Okay, invalid captcha. Just I choose recapture, and you can choose your captcha and captcha you like to solve. Just click it and solve the captcha, and you can receive your payment instantly from this website. Okay, just I am login right now. First of all, I share the withdrawal. Okay, choose your way. The good news is the withdrawal always start with the 50 coin. Right now I have 91 coin. I choose dogecoin. Okay, every coin is equal to this much satoshi of dogecoin. If you click withdraw, this website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Right now I go to my Faucet Pay, reload the page, and just I wait to reload. Okay, wait few seconds. This page will be reload to me. Okay, this is reloading. Okay, processing. Wait few seconds. My internet is a little bit slowly because I'm uploading and downloading right now. About that the website is a little bit slowly. Okay, I come back to solve this one. Okay, now you can see I received this much Doge from the LitcoinEarn. Okay, this website pay you instantly. If you earn much more coin, you can withdraw much more funds. Okay, this is the withdraw TRX, Litecoin, dogecoin. Okay, anyone you want. The Litecoin pay you much more if you want to withdraw with the Litecoin. Okay, and the way to earn, the first way is achievement. If you reach the achievements, you can claim your free achievements. The next one is the manual faucet. Manual faucet is one of the best way. You can earn 20 coin and 70 times claim per day. Every 5 minutes you can come back and claim your free coin. Okay, this is very easy. Just solve this captcha. Okay, solve this captcha. After solving the captcha, just solve this captcha. This one is boards, and just click it and just click verify and click your reward, and you can see. And the next one is the auto faucet. Auto faucet pay you automatically if you have energy. Okay, if you don't have energy, you could go to short links, visit the short links and earn energy, and you can come here to faucet. They pay you, you can get 5 coin. Okay, every 2 minutes if you have energy. Okay, the next one is the short links. You can watch the all short links pay you this much coin and this much energy too. Okay, and this is all available short links in here. You can just click it and visit the all short links. The next one is a task. You can complete the task and you can earn. Go to Faucet Pay, just like the Faucet pay you this much coin. Just put your username. Okay, the next one is a PTC ads. Right now is available 1 PTC ads because the price of Bitcoin right now is very high. If the price come down, they pay you much more. I share with you the story of the withdrawal. Okay, this is the story of the withdrawal. This is 3 minutes ago. This is the next 40 hours ago. I will click the withdraw. This website pay me instantly in my Faucet pay. Okay, that was too easy. You can earn much more free cryptocurrency from this website, and this website pay you instantly, and the minimum withdrawal is a 50 coin. You can see the minimum withdrawal, and you can also claim your Satoshi Litecoin Satoshi 2. If you earn daily 1000 coin, you can earn 7000 Satoshi of Litecoin. That was too high payment of Litecoin, and you can easily make your free money from here. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. This website pay you 100%. In the next payment I will share with you after 10,000 coin. If I reach 10,000 coin, then I share with you the withdrawal, and you can see this website, the fast payment website ever. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, watch my videos. All my videos is free way earning. Some of videos is scam like this one. This Dutch for you is a scam web, because this one didn't pay me any my payment. Okay, right now I have 3000 Dutch to this website. This website didn't pay me any payment. Okay, this is the fake website, and this is a scam website. Don't follow this website. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. If some website I see some website didn't pay you, I share with you in the like this videos. Okay, and this is the 100% fake website I share. Okay, sorry about that. Bye bye for now, and this website is 100% real.